In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a new project and start editing in CapCut. So when you open your CapCut, you'll get to this interface. Sometimes it will look like this. So to start editing, go ahead and click on edit here. Now this will take you to this blank page where you can add a new project. And to add a new project, just click on this plus. And then this will take you to your smartphone where you can select your video. Go ahead and select the videos that you want to edit. For instance, I can select this and this to be my project. Once you have selected all the videos that you want to edit, tap on this add button down here, and that will be it. Now, our videos to edit will be added to timeline, and you can see them here. So you can move this timeline to see your videos, and you can select any of them as you wish. So that's how you create a new project in CapCut and then start editing. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.